This is how you make a detangler hairspray. So you need to start off with a glass spray bottle with a spray top. Open that up. Add a squirt of the doTERRA conditioner. If you don't have a spray bottle top, just use about a tablespoon of your normal conditioner. Then add some essential oils that are going to be really beneficial to your hair. So we're going to start off with using some rosemary. Rosemary is really supportive to your scalp and also really supportive in promoting hair growth. I like to add about 10 drops of this. Then I add about 5 drops of tea tree. Tea tree is really cleansing and rejuvenating, so it's another really good oil to add to your hair products. And then I use geranium. Geranium is really good for whether you have oily or dry hair. It really makes your hair glow, so definitely add it to it, and it also makes your hair smell great and keep the little bugs away from getting into your hair. So then just top that bottle up with water. Pop on your spray top. Give it a shake and then spray away. There you have it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you'd like more free videos like this, please make sure you share this video with your friends. Thanks.